back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Cooking show is amazing to be the kitchen guy. Straightforward. You know, Chef Ricardo always do chicken, and chicken is one of my main dishes on my YouTube channel. Chicken wishes that, you know what I mean, I did it and it made me where I am at the moment. But today we want to go straight to the point. It's just to show you how you can marinate a large portion of chicken for a function, birthday party, christening, or whatever thing you have at home. You know what I mean? It's coming up to summer. So, you know, you want to marinate a lot of chicken. This is where it comes in handy. This is where Chef Ricardo fill those gaps. So you can see the video and step by step how to marinate a large portion of fried chicken at home. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comments. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys, giving your favorite dish. From the team, Chef Ricardo. See you next time. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back again, guys. As I always explain to you and tell you, how Chef Ricardo normally do is chicken. All we do is stew chicken, all we do fried chicken, all we do curry chicken. For me, chicken never too much. I always do my video when it comes to chicken, especially when I'm doing like function or christening or birthday party. Anyway, today I'm doing a birthday party chicken. All right, and I'm gonna show you how you can marinate a big, large portion of fried chicken at home for a birthday party, christening, function, whatever thing you want to do. You know what I mean, someone in the family member, you know what I mean, want you to do something. This is where it come in really handy, guys, where you can do something really brilliant at home. Basically, right here I have roughly at least 5 kilos of chicken. It's a lot of chicken. 5 kilos of chicken is a whole heap of chicken. 5 kilo, I would have said basically 5 kilo. In Jamaica, we'd have said 1 pound, 2 pound, 3 pound, 4 pound, or 5 pounds of chicken. Not money, pound. In Jamaica, we are talking about Jamaica. So roughly in Jamaica now, I would buy 5 pound of chicken, because they use scale in Jamaica. In England, we'd have said 5 kilos of chicken. So there's a lot of chicken this. Basically, I removed the skin from my chicken because I don't love the skin on the chicken, because the skin on the chicken does not good for you guys. You know, that come with a lot of fat. And you know what I mean, fat is a thing where when you eat fat, it go inside of you and it's lay inside of you and build up fat. Second thing, I use mild vinegar, or you can use lemon to wash your chicken. So this is what I use to wash my chicken. Basically, when you're washing your chicken, it's good to put it in some water and put the vinegar inside of it and allow it for roughly about 5 to 6 minutes. Second thing, a lot of people say chicken meat, you shouldn't wash meat at home. But you know what I mean, a band come see my grandmother do it, a band come see my mother do it, a band come see my father doing it, and I'm still doing it same way. But where I work, we doesn't wash meat. But simple to make life more easier. Guys, if you wash your meat around the area and the sink area, normally special chicken, which is a deadly meat, you need to clear your area, sanitize it down good, and make sure you wash away everything around your area. Pack away anything which will contain to the meat, because chicken is one of the most deadliest meat ever. Anyway, so we're gonna show you how to marinate a large portion of fried chicken at home for a birthday party or a christening. First thing, as I said, meat wash off into a large bowl, as you can see. What we're gonna do right here, this is Chef Ricardo natural blending season. You know me, I always use my blending season and a lot of meat. So basically the video is on the YouTube channel, how to blend up this natural season. So second thing, what we're gonna do, simple, we're gonna put some of the natural season on the chicken like this. I'm not gonna use a spoon, I'm just gonna simple pour out some of it just like this. As you see, that's a large portion of chicken. So I pour out a large portion of the natural blending season. Second thing, we're gonna put some coarse pepper right inside of it, just like this. Next, we're gonna put a spoon of all-purpose season. One spoon of chicken season. And next, we're gonna put a spoon of paprika. Lovely and nice. And a spoon of everyday season. Next, we're gonna put on our gloves. These gloves is very important to use. So basically, I wanna simply say to you, use your favorite season you normally use at home, guys, to marinate your meat. All right? This is my natural season. So basically, we're gonna just rub it up just like this. The only reason why I didn't put no oil because my natural season got a lot of oil already. So as I can see, so basically I will show you how to fry this chicken in the next 24 hours because now we are just marinating it, getting all of the flavor in the chicken. The natural blending season is really good because it got garlic, spring onion and white onion and some fresh thyme. So it got a lot of flavor in it. Lovely and nice. So as I can see right here, look at that. Beautiful. Really nice. So that's exactly what you're looking for inside of the bowl. As I can see, look at that. That is fantastic, guys. Beautiful and really nice. And as you can see, it is a lot of chicken, and as you notice, our marinated. I didn't use a salt because most of the season already got salt. And if you notice, oh, it looking so lovely and nice. So hopefully you will enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. And as I say, this is the way Chef Ricardo would marinate his chicken using a natural blending season. So it's just beautiful and really nice. So guys, just enjoy it. And if you like the recipe, please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. If you want me to fry it, to show you how it fry, please write it below and I will definitely fry it to show you how it will look when you're frying a large portion of chicken like this. Thank you so much and see you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. All you need to do is just put it into a bag, pop it in the fridge for 24 hours and then you can fry it after. How to marinate a large portion of fried chicken at home for a birthday party or christening. Anything. Enjoy it. See you next time. Bye-bye.